Hi guys, so just wanted to show you a quick overview of how to use the Google Drive Sync. So when you're logged in on the left hand side, you will see Drive Sync if you're using that. If you're not using that option, you will have the bulk upload option. You can toggle between the two should you wish via settings and then integrations and then just the toggle integration. If you're not using the Drive Sync, that will say bulk upload. So all you want to do is you want to open your spreadsheet, which will open up your StoreMapper spreadsheet in a separate tab along the top. This is exactly the same as the CSV, apart from the fact that it's in your Google Drive Sync. And the headers along the top, I would recommend to leave them as they are because it can mess up with the formatting when you go to sync the spreadsheet back. So the name and address field are mandatory. They do need to be added. The address column has to be across one column as so. It can't be across separate columns unless you use a separate sheet. However, when you sync back to your StoreMapper dashboard, only sheet one is taken into consideration and the address does need to be in this format. The rest of the fields are non-mandatory, but obviously we recommend including that information because it's information for your customers. So you've got the option to add a phone number, an email address, a URL, a description, a filter option, which is known as our custom categories. So you have three filters that can be added. So that's custom category 1, custom category 2, and custom category 3. These are the tags that you would add, and you just simply separate them out via a comma. So there's no space needed. It will just be word, comma, word. We then also have the option of adding a custom field 2, and a custom field 3. So you can have 3 custom fields, an image URL should you wish to use an image for that particular store. The latitude, longitude, and store mapper ID, these are non-mandatory. So these will automatically be added when you sync your sheet back, as long as there is an address input into the system and StoreMapper can geocode it. So again, there's no need for you to add these. These will automatically be added by the system. StoreMapper ID is just so that there's no duplicate stores within your account. We have the option of adding a tier, a custom marker, and whether you want the store to be hidden. Should you wish for the store to be hidden on the sync, so maybe you're out of a product or it's just you want it added to see internally, just select Y here for yes to be hidden. Otherwise, you can keep it as N. And then also a color marker. So if you want that specific pin to be a different color, maybe it's a brand color and you have the hex code, you can just go ahead and add that here. Once you've added all of the necessary information here, what you want to do is then go back to StoreMapper and then just simply sync the stores. You can use the auto syncing. This will allow the, if this is enabled, you can choose the hour of the day and the time zone, and it will automatically synchronize every day at that time. So what you can do as well is share your spreadsheet out with as many customers or clients as you wish. They will have the option to add the stores, delete stores, edit stores, and then it will automatically sync that to the system as well. Should you wish to add any stores, we recommend just directly going to the bottom of your last added store and then just simply adding it directly underneath, and then syncing that store back to the account as well. If you have any issues or you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and let us know. You can reach us out at help@storemapper.co. Thanks very much.